Okay, gonna try this one more time. This is attempt number 3, and that's what it looks like going in. And to give you a scale, there's my hand touching it, about 4 fingers wide. And we'll see what happens after I cook this at 380 for about 29 minutes. 29 minutes at 380, and there we go. Got the sunny side on it here. The bacon looks a little underdone, but I checked the temperature and I've got 145 exactly, so that's good. What do you do about the bacon? Shriveled up a little bit, up to 3 fingers. So there you go. Looking good. It's good. Happy day to you.